Welcome to our video where we compare the How High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Urevo Under Desk Treadmill based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's find out which one suits your needs better. In terms of pricing, the How High Walking Pad comes in at a more budget-friendly $229, appealing to those looking to save. On the other hand, the Urevo Under Desk Treadmill is priced at $399, targeting a more premium market. For comfort and safety, the How High features a handrail for added security during use. Conversely, the Urevo boasts a double shock absorption system to protect your knees and provide a more comfortable workout experience. When it comes to functionality, the How High offers 3 modes for varied workouts, while the Urevo shines with its silent motor, making it ideal for quiet, undisturbed workouts even during work hours. On the technical side, the How High supports users up to 265 pounds and tracks workout data, appealing to those who love monitoring their progress. The Urevo connects to an app for tracking and has a multi-function display catering to the tech-savvy users. Reviewers found the How High Walking Pad to be lightweight, affordable, and suitable for low-impact exercise, with some concerns about defective units. The Urevo Under Desk Treadmill was praised for its solid build, quiet operationing, though some wished for more advanced tech features and questioned its long-term ability. Thank you for watching our comparison of the How High Walking Pad Treadmill and the Urevo Under Desk Treadmill. Which one do you prefer and why? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us. Check out the product links in the description to learn more or make a purchase. See you in the next video.